Are you looking for a quick and healthy breakfast option that you can prep ahead of time? Look no further than overnight oats. Overnight oats are a simple and nutritious meal that you can customize to suit your taste preferences. To make basic overnight oats, start with a base of rolled oats and milk of your choice. You can also add in chia seeds for extra fiber and protein, as well as some honey or maple syrup for sweetness. Feel free to get creative with your toppings. Fresh fruit, nuts, seeds, or even a dollop of yogurt can take your overnight oats to the next level. Once you've mixed everything together in a jar or container, let it sit in the fridge overnight. In the morning, you'll have a delicious and satisfying breakfast waiting for you. Meal prepping overnight oats is a great way to ensure you have a healthy breakfast option ready to go, especially on busy mornings. So give overnight oats a try and start your day off right with a nutritious and delicious meal. Did this video inspire you to add overnight oats to your breakfast routine? If so, we'd love to hear about your creations. Share your unique overnight oats recipes and photos in the comments below. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful. And if you're eager for more nutritious recipes and meal prep ideas, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. Join our food-loving community, and let's make healthier choices together.